Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, 2025. Let's take a look at the Litecoin. Litecoin quoted to USDC at Zondacrypto daily time frame chart, Japanese candlesticks. What is going on here? The first thing is quite easy to notice. If we take a look at this situation here, we got very clear rejection of the first breakout, and then rejection of the trend line. Let's just change this color to the orange so anyone will stay on the same page, and then the continuation to the downtrend towards the level of 63.94. That's the low from the April 7th. The movement to the downside might not yet be completed, as you can see, because there is still room here to go even lower, mostly towards the level of $64 per one Litecoin. If we apply RSI indicator, we can clearly see that right now on daily time frame chart we hit the extremely oversold conditions, but there is no divergence just yet. Nevertheless, despite this fact, we can't see any movement to the upside. We can't see any dynamic aggressive reversal to the upside, and any kind of rally. Nothing like this is taking place right now on the chart. So what do we have here? Is the technical support 63.94 and some sort of the consolidation here, but definitely this doesn't look yet as any kind of a upside movement. Local technical resistance 81.12, still not tested, still not even hit. Not even briefly hit, so it's still waiting for the for any kind of movement towards its direction. If we apply our arrow, that means in the short term we strongly should focus on this level, right? Because this is short-term key level to the upside, this technical resistance level. Now, the very nice pattern that you can see here, right, you can be spotted here as well without this bar. So this is like a miniature of this pattern here. Then we have the downside movement again, and this downside movement, as you can see, looks pretty much impulsive. However, this downside movement might not yet been completed. So we might see another extension even towards the level of $60 here. It all depends how the Bitcoin will behave in the recent days. As you can see, that movement to the downside is very similar to the Bitcoin movement to the downside as well. So it might be really helpful to keep an eye on the Bitcoin, to track the current situation on the Litecoin, of course, right? And we got our level, first level of the technical resistance, we got our technical support, we got the old trend line as well on the chart, and the breakout and the test and everything that should inform us if there is any rally to the upside, that this rally is genuine rally. There is some kind of a I don't know, trend reversal, or maybe deeper pullback to the upside taking place on the Litecoin, but so far there is no indication this movement to the downside is done, except the extremely oversold conditions, and there's no indication the downtrend is about to be terminated or reversed to the upside, or there's some kind of a market reversal higher towards 81 or even $100 per Litecoin. So please stay focused, stay vigilant, keep an eye on the Bitcoin as well, because it looks like the Litecoin is tracking this market very closely, and we will see how the market will react on the current situation, whether this consolidation will take place for quite some time, for example, or there will be really some kind of a deeper pullback, deeper bounce from the extremely oversold conditions, and we will get the chance to test to 81 and then maybe even $100. But in that situation, the Bitcoin must be going up as well. No Bitcoin in the uptrend, back in the uptrend, no Litecoin back in the uptrend as well. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.